Hello guys, this is Fan. Welcome to my channel. So I have been working on a project recently, and in this project, I will be receiving a lot of emails from a couple of vendors, and including recommendations, suggestions in professional languages, and also I have been receiving invoice codes and images of their product as well. So in the past few months, I have been doing this and tracking and manage this project all manually. And what I usually do is every time I receive email from the vendors, including the codes, images, I will first read through all the emails, and then after I understand, everything, I will download all the attachment, such as invoice, codes, and product images, and upload to my project, Google Drive. And also, I label all the emails so that I could keep track all the notification, email threads and communications for each vendor. So it's actually very time consuming. At least I spend 1 or 2 hours every day to uh, track and working on those things. So then I was thinking, can I automate all those things with AI? Yeah, the answer is yes. So actually, the outcome is pretty good and fully meet my expectation. So this is the workflow I created to fully automate uh, to fully automate my project management process, and it will automatically analyze emails from those vendors, and it will process PDFs and process images and extract the content. If it's invoiced, we extract the content, the total amount, all those things from the PDF. And it will summarize and combine and upload all the attachment automatically to Google Drives, and then keep a log entry in a Google Sheet. So without further ado, so I'm gonna show you how it works. So I already have an email, draft email created, which is sent it to this email. And this is a test email PDF image processing for email AI analyzer automation. So I already have two attachments. One is PDF, one is PNG. So this is how the PDF looks like. It's the sample invoice. It contains some of the critical information that's such as the name of the company, bill to, due amount, and all those things, and product name. And then this is the same invoice, but instead it's a image rather than a PDF. So this workflow, I'm gonna send it now, and then I will go back to the workflow. So let's wait a little bit. So the workflow will be automatically triggered when the email is received. Okay, so now I just received this email. So let's so it should automatically trigger this workflow. Just to give a couple of seconds. Yeah, see? So it's actually automatically trigger this workflow now. And let's give a little bit time, but let's go back to, so it will automatically trigger this workflow, and based on the filter to see if this is the email I want to process, in this case, yes. So it will check if it's contain attachment or not. If contain attachment such as PDF or image, it will try to extract. First of all, we'll upload either PDF or image to my project Google Drive, and then we'll try to use two different flow to extract data from PDF and also analyze the image and extract the information. So in this case, for my PDF analyzer, I use DeepSeek. For image, I used OpenAI. And looks like it is completed. So let's look at the execution. Yes, as you can see, all the green ones, automatically processed all my PDF images and then aggregate and combine all the summaries and send it to my Discord. So let's first take a look at it, my login. So this is the Google Sheets, which I keep all the entries of the emails I received for this project. So in this case, you can see that I received 3 entries in this case. So it's the same email, but one is a PDF, one is an image, and one is the email. So as you can see that for the image one, so it has extract a lot of great information such as the product with quantity and what's the price and what's the tax rate and what's the final total including tax, which is 135.60. So this is great. And let's take a look at it, my Discord. So this is a message I received from my bot, and it will tell me and summarize all the information from the PDF, from the image, and from the email itself. Okay, and yeah, so to me, this workflow actually saves me a lot of time. And I think it is a generic email analyze AI agent as well, which could be used for many other use cases as well. So, and it could easily integrate it with any other tools or repository you use if you don't use Google Drive or Google Sheets. Yeah, I think that's it for the demo. And if you like my demo, and please subscribe. And I will be sharing real samples and a demo regularly in my YouTube channel. So feel free to check out anytime. And this concludes today's video. And thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.